Hello everyone, my name is Bailey with One Choice Mechanical. Today we're going to be going over what you can expect on a 20-point inspection for your outdoor air conditioner, or what we like to call a clean and check. First thing that we'll always ask you on a clean and check is to go ahead and turn on your system at the thermostat, just so we can test to make sure that everything's working appropriately. The next thing that we'll do is we'll grab our tools, our drill, and our meter. We'll step outside to this unit and we'll check all electrical components in this panel here. So this is the inside of your electrical panel. Typically there's only 2 or 3 main parts. You're gonna have your capacitor and your contactor. We're gonna check over both of these things just to make sure that they're in good working order. These are consumables, so it's typical that these things will need to be replaced within the lifespan of the system. The next thing that we're gonna check is gonna be right here. This is where we can read all of your pressures from your system. Now the pressures are the refrigerant that's running through the system, and this is how we can check to make sure that the system's operating appropriately and you'll be able to get the efficient amount of cooling that you want for the summer season. After we've tested all the electrical components and we've checked your refrigerant pressures, we're gonna go ahead and unscrew the top of your system, and that way we can spray out your condenser from the inside out. So we'll remove all dirt and debris from the inside of this chamber as well as the coils here. Reason why that's important is if this outdoor condenser coil gets super filthy or bogged down with debris, your system won't work as efficiently. So just like your indoor filter, keeping this super clean makes your system work more efficiently. So once we finish the outdoor portion of the clean and check, we're just about wrapped up. Some of the final steps is going to be to do a visual inspection on the indoor components. Some of the things that we're going to check is the cleanliness level or the dirt level that you might see on your blower wheel back here. The reason why it's important to inspect these things is because just like your filter, the cleaner that we keep these things, the more efficient your system will work. Now, these things don't need to be cleaned every year. These things need to be cleaned based on usage and dust accumulation and dirt buildup. So these are things that aren't typically going to be cleaned in a clean and check. These are things where I need to dewire the electrical components and remove the blower wheel from the system in order to do a thorough deep clean. Now, if one of our technicians notices that there seems to be a large amount of buildup of dirt or debris on these things, then at that time they'll give you an estimate for a thorough deep cleaning of different components of your system.